Okay guys, now we've got this section 2 and there is another passage and the title is Negotiating a Better Salary Package. The title of the passage is Negotiating a Better Salary Package for Your New Job. Now, how to negotiate a better salary package for your new job, right? This passage is all about that. After this, we go to questions. What are the questions? 15 to 20? One word only from the text for each answer. So, let's read questions. Question number 15. When negotiating a salary, potential employee means the person who is likely to give you a job. Potential employee, right? Like you say, my potential wife. Potential wife means line marna bhi shayad ho jaye, okay? Yeah. Potential employees should take advantage of the company's views of them as a useful what? Focus the word useful. And for useful, they can use any other word like valuable. Right? Company's views of them as a useful. Useful means valuable. So go to first paragraph. Questions and answers are in order. Yes. Can you see there? It's the first paragraph. Last line. They write here. It's because the organization sees you as a valuable asset. Now valuable means useful. What will be the answer? Asset. And those who do not understand, they will write useful, valuable. Useful, valuable. Those who do not understand that. Now you understand useful and valuable, they are synonyms. And the right answer is asset or asset. So correct answer for this is asset. Question number 16. When negotiating a salary, it is important to be aware of the company's particular dash. Company's particular. Something related to company. Company's particular. Okay. And for company, they use the word organization. So, it's the third paragraph. Please come to that. Second line. Okay, they say here, I'm reading it from the beginning. Please follow me. We've got this line here. There are no general rules about how and when to conduct your negotiation, but being sensitive to the culture of the organization is essential. Culture of the organization means company's culture. Right answer is culture. Very good. Okay. And you can write your answers there and later on you can transfer your answers to the answer sheet, or you can do one thing. You should transfer your answers to the answer sheet after one section. One section is done. Write your answers on the answer sheet. Answer sheet is on the table. Second section is done, write your answer. And third section, directly transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Because when they say candidate stop writing, pen down. That's it. And you should sit like this. कि शक भी ना पड़े. ऐसे लिख लीजिएगा. Okay. And some people can write. They are looking here and there, but still they are writing. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Question number 17. Some people use, now some people underline the word use, the dash to monitor salaries offered for similar positions. Now what is it that people use to monitor salaries? For example, if I'm doing a job of a bank manager, so I check somewhere what is the salary for a bank manager in different banks. So some people use dash to monitor salaries. Let's go back. Yeah, that's right. It's the same paragraph. Same paragraph. And you can see, okay, you can look at the range. Found it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everyone, look at your neighbors. It's the second paragraph and, yeah, fifth line. You can look at the range after full stop. Second paragraph, fifth line after full stop. You can look at the range of packages offered for comparable jobs in adverts on the internet. Now adverts will not be the right answer. These adverts are on the internet. So what do some people do? They use internet to monitor salaries offered for similar positions. Correct answer is internet. Please underline internet, write question number there, 17, and that's it. Alright, question number 18 please. People who belong to are means answer will be singular. People who belong to. Belong to means they are part of. Belong to means part of. If you are part of, if you belong to, if you are from, something like that. A dash can ask for recommendations on what is the norm for payment in their field. So people who belong to what? Let's go back. Union. Well done. Where is the answer? Second last line of the same paragraph. Yes, you can see here. Finally, if you are a member of a union. Now see that if you are a member of a union and if you belong to a union. Now belong to and member of. They are synonyms and correct answer is union. Good job. Now we've got question number 19. Some people try to arrange for a dash. Arrange for dash. Arrange. Clue word is arrange. Some people try to arrange for dash of their salary. Now arrange something which is related to their salary. Arrange dash of their salary to be carried out after an initial period. Now let's go back. Yes. Yeah, it's the third last paragraph. Third last paragraph. If the salary, found it? If the salary offered is less than you'd hoped for, you could negotiate an early pay review instead. Say after the first 6 months, ensure that the criteria are clearly set out though, and that they are included in your contract. Now, if the salary offered is less than you'd hoped for, you could negotiate an early pay review. Early pay review. Now, what is early pay review? They've written the word you could negotiate. Negotiate means arrange. You could negotiate an early pay review. You could arrange for a review of the salary to be carried out after an initial period. Now what is the word for early? After an initial period. So the answer is review. Just underline the word review and write their question number, and this is how you can just do it. Alright, 19 answer is review. Question number 20 please. It is important to be willing to accept a dash. It is important to be willing to accept a dash if the negotiations are getting nowhere. To accept something if negotiations are not getting anywhere. So to accept what? Yeah, let's go to the second last paragraph please. Very good, excellent. Yeah. So the second last paragraph, and they write there, when negotiating, be persuasive and consistent in your arguments, but be prepared to agree to a compromise if you really want the job. Compromise. Well done. It is important to be willing. What is the word to be willing? To agree. To agree means to be willing. A compromise if you really want the job. If you really want the job. Okay. So correct answer is compromise. All right.